everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial I created this wearable warm tone cut crease with a glitter crease and a bold wing. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you turn your post notifications on and comment done, you will be entered in our giveaway. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is putting some NARS concealer all over my eyelid, and this is going to be my primer. And then I go in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out, and then some translucent powder to set that in place. And that's really just going to help us blend our eyeshadow. So next I'm taking some Pop Beauty Celestial Light highlighter, and I'm just going to be putting that on my brow bone just to highlight that area. And then I'm jumping into the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. And I'm just going to be grabbing this light pink shade as our transition shade. So I'm just going to be applying it in our crease with a fluffy brush, going in back and forth motions. Next, I'm taking this warm brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to be taking a small defined brush, and I'm going to draw a line above my actual crease, going in back and forth motions. And using an angled brush is really going to help with control. And then I'm going back into that light pink shade and my fluffy brush, and I'm going to go over that line just to really blend it out. And then I'm taking my NARS concealer once again just to clean up the eyelid space, and this is just going to help any eyeshadow that we apply on top of it pop even more. And I like to take a really tiny brush for this step. And then I'm going to be grabbing this Anastasia single shadow in the shade Vanilla, and I'm just going to be packing that all over the lid. And then going back into the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, I'm taking this really light muted brown shade. And I'm just going to be buffing that on the inner and outer corner. So that we still have a little bit of a pop of light in the center of the lid. And then I'm going to grab my NYX Glitter Primer and my Makeup Forever Stardust Powder in gold. And I'm just taking a really small angled brush for this step, and I'm just going to be applying the glitter right beneath that line. Next, I'm going to be grabbing my Smashbox Always On liquid liner, and I'm just going to create a wing. And for lashes, I'm wearing my Sofie Bella Jamaica lashes. The link will always be in the description box if you guys want to check out those lashes. And lastly, I'm just applying some L'Oreal mascara to my lower lashes. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.